Here I am at the Disguise booth. We worked with DCE this year. It's been another fantastic year working with DCE. John and his team never fail to amaze us. We start right from the beginning, and he's always helping us with understanding what's possible, helping us to push the boundaries each year with our booth as well, in terms of our design. This year we also explored his new 3D printing offering with his new team. As you can see behind us, so we've really gone for different elements across our stand this year, different pop-up elements around a video booth. We've got demo stations, a real mix of areas, and the DCE team have always been fantastic helping us make sure it all comes together, make sure everything arrives on time, and yeah, it's been fantastic. So DCE are a long-term partner of ours. We're always looking at the roadmap with them in terms of upcoming trade shows for the year as well.